Tamina Bhatia is a popular Indian film actress who works primarily in Telugu, Tamil, and Hindi films. She was born on December 21, 1989, in Mumbai, India, and grew up in the same city. She has completed her schooling from Manekji Cooper Education Trust School, Mumbai. After completing her high school education, Tamina enrolled in National College, Mumbai, to pursue a degree in Bachelor of Arts in Distance Education. However, due to her busy schedule in the film industry, Tamina could not attend college regularly and had to take a break from her studies. Tamina has also received training in classical dance forms like Bharatanatyam, which she began learning at a young age. She has not completed a full degree. She has pursued higher education through distance learning while juggling her busy acting career. The actress was born in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, to Santosh Bhatia and Rajani Bhatia. Her father, Santosh Bhatia, is a diamond merchant and her mother, Rajani Bhatia, is a housewife. Tamina has an elder brother named Anand Bhatia, who is also a software engineer. She comes from a well-educated and affluent family with a background in business. The actress made her acting debut in 2005 with the Hindi film, Chand Sa Roshan Chehra, which was not successful at the box office. Her first successful film was the 2006 Telugu movie, Happy Days. Her performance in the film was highly appreciated and earned her critical acclaim. Tamina's breakthrough came in 2009 with the Telugu film, Koncham Ishtam Koncham Kashtam, and the Tamil film, Ayan. Her performance in both films received positive reviews and she was nominated for several awards. She went on to act in several successful Telugu and Tamil films such as Paya, 100% Love, Bahubali, The Beginning, and Bahubali, The Conclusion. She made her Bollywood debut with the 2013 film, Himmatwala, which was a commercial failure. She went on to act in several other Hindi films such as Entertainment, Hum Shikals, and Tutik Tutik Tutiya, but none of them were successful at the box office. Apart from acting, the actress has also endorsed several popular brands and has been the face of various advertising campaigns. She has also appeared in music videos and has been a part of several stage shows. She has established herself as one of the leading actresses in the South Indian film industry and has also made a mark in Bollywood. She continues to be a popular and successful actress and a style icon for many. The beauty has kept her personal life private and has not publicly spoken about her relationships or dating history. Tamina is a trained classical dancer and is known for her exceptional dancing skills. She also enjoys reading and is fluent in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, and English. She is actively involved in various philanthropic activities. She has been associated with NGOs like Round Table India and PETA India, among others. The actress is a private person who has kept her personal life away from the limelight. Talking about some facts. Tamina Bhatia. Tamina was born on December 21, 1989, in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Her father, Santosh Bhatia, is a diamond merchant and her mother, Rajani Bhatia, is a homemaker. The actress made her acting debut at the age of 15 with the Hindi film, Chand Sa Roshan Chehra, in 2005. She then made her debut in the South Indian film industry with the Tamil film, Pidi, in 2006. The actress gained popularity with the Telugu film, Happy Days, in 2007, which was a blockbuster. She has acted in more than 60 films in various languages. Tamina has won several awards for her performances, including 2 Filmfare Awards for Best Actress Tamil and 1 for Best Actress Telugu. She has also appeared in a few Bollywood films, including Himmatwala and Entertainment. The actress is known for her dancing skills and has performed in many item songs. She is also a brand ambassador for many popular brands and has endorsed products like Celcom Mobiles, Fanta, and Chandrika Ayurvedic soap. Tamina is a fitness enthusiast and follows a strict diet and workout regime. She is fluent in several languages, including Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and English. She is also involved in philanthropy and has supported various charitable causes like providing education to underprivileged children. In 2020, Tamina was diagnosed with COVID-19 but recovered after a few weeks of isolation. She is one of the highest paid actresses in the South Indian film industry. Talking about some of her favorites. Favorite food, biryani, pasta, and Thai cuisine. Favorite actor, Mahesh Babu and Hrithik Roshan. Favorite actress, Madhuri Dixit and Preeti Zinta. Favorite movie, Titanic, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, and Mughal-e-Azam. Favorite hobbies, reading books, dancing, and singing. Favorite color, red. Favorite holiday destination, Paris and New York. Favorite fashion designer, Manish Malhotra. Favorite perfume, Chanel No. 5. Tamina Bhatia has been spotted with a white Rolls-Royce Ghost, which is a luxury sedan known for its elegant design and powerful performance. She has also been seen driving a black BMW 7 Series, which is a high-end luxury car known for its comfort and technology features. She has been spotted with an Audi Q7, which is a popular luxury SUV known for its spacious cabin, comfortable ride, and powerful engine. It's worth noting that these are the cars she has been seen with in public, and she may own other vehicles that have not been publicly photographed or reported on. Tamina believes that staying hydrated is key to maintaining healthy and glowing skin. She drinks plenty of water throughout the day and also includes other hydrating drinks like coconut water and fresh juices. The actress is a big believer in eating a healthy and balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and protein. She avoids processed foods and sugary drinks. Tamina maintains a regular workout routine to keep her body fit and toned. She prefers a combination of cardio and strength training exercises. She takes good care of her skin by following a strict skincare routine. She cleanses, tones, and moisturizes her skin twice a day and uses face masks and scrubs regularly. Tamina's lustrous locks are the envy of many. She takes care of her hair by using natural products and avoiding harsh chemicals. She also gets regular hair treatments like oil massages and hair masks. She believes that getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy and radiant complexion. She aims to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. The actress believes that true beauty comes from within. She exudes confidence and positivity, which makes her even more beautiful. She has won 2 Filmfare Awards South, one for Best Actress Telugu for the film 100% Love and another for Best Actress Tamil for the film Paya. Tamina has won 4 SIIMA awards in various categories including Best Actress Tamil, Best Actress Telugu and Best Actress Critics. She has won 2 cinema awards for her performances in the films 100% Love and Tadaka. Tamina won the Best Actress award at the Zee Telugu Apsara Awards in 2016 for her performance in the film Bahubali, The Beginning. She received the prestigious Kalaimamani Award from the Government of Tamil Nadu for her contributions to the field of arts and entertainment. Apart from her film achievements, Tamina is also a popular brand ambassador for various brands and has been listed among Forbes India's Celebrity 100 multiple times. She has also been actively involved in philanthropic activities and has supported causes like animal welfare and child health. The actress has been associated with brands such as Selcom Mobiles, Fanta, Chandrika Ayurvedic Soap, and a popular jewelry brand named Malabar Gold and Diamonds. She has also been the brand ambassador for the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign in Telangana. Apart from her endorsements, she has also been involved in several philanthropic activities. She has been a part of the Save Shakti campaign that works towards empowering women and has also supported causes such as animal welfare and education for underprivileged children. The actress has not publicly shared details of her business ventures. She has been involved in various endorsements and philanthropic activities. Tamina follows a balanced diet that includes all the essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. She avoids junk food and focuses on eating fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources. She drinks plenty of water throughout the day to keep herself hydrated. This helps to flush out toxins from the body and keeps the skin glowing. The actress practices yoga regularly to maintain her physical and mental health. She believes that yoga helps to improve flexibility, strength, and balance. The beauty includes regular exercise in her daily routine. She prefers to do a combination of cardio and strength training exercises to keep her body toned and fit. She makes sure to get adequate sleep of 7 to 8 hours every night. This helps to rejuvenate the body and mind and keeps her energetic throughout the day. The actress practices meditation to reduce stress and anxiety. She believes that meditation helps to improve focus, concentration, and overall well-being. Tamina avoids alcohol and smoking to maintain her health and fitness. Tamina follows a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of food groups such as proteins, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fiber. She makes sure to eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins like chicken and fish, and healthy fats like nuts and seeds. She eats a high-protein diet to maintain her muscle mass and keep her energy levels up. She includes protein-rich foods like eggs, lentils, tofu, and cottage cheese in her meals. The actress eats small, frequent meals throughout the day to keep her metabolism running smoothly and avoid overeating. She also eats her meals on time and avoids skipping meals. Tamina drinks plenty of water to stay hydrated and flush out toxins from her body. She also drinks coconut water and other healthy beverages like green tea and fresh juices. She avoids processed and junk foods that are high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Instead, she opts for natural and whole foods that are packed with nutrients and good for her health. The beauty takes supplements to support her health and beauty. She takes vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, B complex, and omega-3 fatty acids to keep her skin and hair healthy. Tamina follows a healthy and balanced diet, drinks plenty of water, and takes supplements to maintain her health and beauty. She is often seen wearing fashionable and trendy outfits that are appropriate for the occasion. She has been spotted in saris, lehengas, salwar suits and other traditional Indian attire for events such as weddings and festivals. For more formal events and award shows, she has been seen wearing designer gowns and dresses in various styles and colors. She has also been seen in casual wear such as jeans, t-shirts and jackets. Tamanna's dress code is diverse and reflects her personal style and the occasion she is attending. She is known for experimenting with different styles and is not afraid to take risks with her fashion choices. The actress' stunning looks and fashion sense. She has been seen wearing a variety of outfits on different occasions, including traditional Indian wear like saris and lehengas, as well as Western wear like dresses and skirts. She has also been seen experimenting with different styles and colors, and always manages to carry herself with grace and elegance. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.